Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Daviana. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to optimize your Google business profile so that you can get more customers, show up higher on Google search and maps, and grow your business for free. If you already have your Google business profile set up, this is a perfect next step to make sure you are getting the most out of it. So grab your phone and laptop and let's dive into the powerful optimization strategies that will help your business stand out online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my video tutorials. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, head on to your browser. In order for you to locate your verified business profile, use the email that you use in listing your business on Google. If you don't use that particular email, you will not see your verified Google business profile. So ensure you use that very email that you use in listing your business on Google. So type my business. And then you'll find your verified business like this. This is my own. My business is verified. So this is it. You click on this. You see, this is my business on Google. So in order for me to optimize my business on Google, first of all, you start with edit profile. You click on edit profile. You see it. So if you want to change your business name, you can click on this pencil and then you edit your business name. Click on save. That is it for this. So the next thing is your business categories. You can add more than one business categories, but you have only one primary business category, but you can add category in your niche. So my own, I put graphic designer, marketing agency, web designer, advertising agency, e-commerce service, web hosting company, marketing. So this now, all these categories I put, if anybody type graphic designer, marketing agency, they will find me on Google. That is the importance of putting more business on your business category. So that's the first. The next thing is your description. So this is where you put your description. If you want to edit, you click on this and then it will open. Let me click. So I can write whatever I want to write here. My own is fully optimized, but I'm just using it to show you how to optimize your Google business profile. So after writing your description, you click on save. Remember, after writing anything, always click on save. So now another one is your number. If you click here, you can edit your number. Even if you want to change number, you can change it. Even if you want to add more number, you can add more number. That is if you have more than one number. After that, you click on save. And even if you don't have number at all, you can add your number and afterwards, you click on save. This is your WhatsApp. You can choose text message or WhatsApp, but I prefer WhatsApp than a text message. That's why I use WhatsApp. And then this is the URL for your WhatsApp. You use this URL from this point, input your own number from here. After that, you click save. Now, this is website. You can put your website here. This is my own website. You just click on this to edit. And after that, you click save. This is some of my social profile. If you don't have any, click on this. It will open. So you add your URL. You can use this my URL. Then when you get to where my name is, you just change the name to your own business name. That is all. So now this is location. If your location is not correct, you can click on this and correct your location. Okay? So this is your business hour. If you want to edit your business hour, you click on this and edit all your business hours. Then if you have any special hour, you click. But if you don't have, you see anything you want to edit here, click on this and edit. The next thing is your reviews. These are the reviews that I've got. So this is where you see all your reviews. Then this one is photo. You see this photo? This is where you post your photos. This place is where you put your cover photo. This is for your cover photo. This is for your logo. If you want to put your logo here, you put your logo. Then if there is any of your business photo, your product photo, you can add them here. You just click on add photo, and then you can add as many as you can. Then if you want to view all your photos, you click here and view all the photos that you have posted. You see, these are the ones that I have posted, so you can view all of them at once if you want to. If you want to still add, you can add here. So just play around with this. The next thing is post. I have added post. If you still want to add post, you click on add post and add your post. Next one is performance. This is where you view your performance. You click on performance. Another thing is advertiser. This is where you run your Google ads. The next thing you do here is your products. This is good for people that sells products. So the next thing you do, in order for you to add your products, you click on get started. After adding your product name, your business category, the price of your products, you upload your photo, the photo of that particular product. See the name of your product. Customer will come to Google business profile and see what you're selling. That's why I said every business must be on Google. If your business is not on Google, you are missing out. So you see it. After adding all this, you click on publish. Open another tab. Search for GMB everywhere. You will click on the one that is on Chrome Web Store. That is the one you will click on. Don't click on this because you add this GMB everywhere to your Google Chrome. Now, you click on GMB everywhere. You click on add to Chrome. And then you click add extension. So if you click on add extension, it will automatically open another tab. Please, if you are doing your optimization, use your laptop, do your optimization. This is where you will spy on the keywords that your competitors are using. Now, this is dentist near me. This dentist near me, this is the keywords this person is using. He's using dentist, cosmetic dentist, dental implant provider, oral. You see all these keywords. If you are a dentist, you will write down all these keywords. If it's pertaining to your business, you write it. You come down here, you see this person that is just having this dental clinic. Honestly, before this person will be searching, people will find this person before finding this very person that has one dental clinic. All these keywords are what they are using to rank. So you will check all these keywords. After checking it, you will put it in your own. This one says software company. So this software, look at what he used. He used software company. He just used one keyword. You know, this keyword that he used, before somebody will find him that use one keyword, they will find this person that use multiple keywords. So the keywords you use is the keyword that is in your line of business or service. All these things. I will pick this marketing agency. I'll pick graphic designer. I'll pick web designer. I'll pick it. I'll write it down somewhere. Now, I will search again. I saw internet marketing. I'll take internet marketing. Okay, now I have even seen service establishments from here, which I'm going to add to my own keyword too. You see it, marketing consultant, web designer. So these are the keywords they are using to rank. I will pick all these keywords. Pick them. The ones that concern me, I will pick them. Once I pick them all, I will go back. I will come back here to edit service. I will come back to edit service. You see it? Under this internet marketing service, I will strategically put all the keywords. You see it? Strategically under internet marketing service. You see it? I will strategically put them under graphic designer. I will strategically put all the keywords for graphic designer under it. Under marketing agency, you see it? So that's how you do it. Okay. I don't want this video to be too long. So the next thing is bookings. If you have a link for people to book you, you can add the link here. That is, If you have any custom link for booking, you want people to book you for your service, you add the URL here and click on save. And if people want to see you, they can book you right here on your Google Business profile. Okay? This thing is very simple. Then the next one is question and answer. If you want to ask people to review your service, this is my review link. What I did basically was to copy this link. You tap on this place and copy this link and send it to the person you want to review. If you don't want to use link, you can use QR code like this. You just right click and copy image. You can as well save it on your file. So that is just it. So you can send it to your customers to review your service or to review your products. Okay? It's that simple. It's very, very simple. That is just it. All these things are very simple things that you can do. All right? So these profiles is, if you have more than one Google Business profile, you click here and you see all your profile. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one.